game showed the dominance in the physicality of the box?
I think, like I said from the beginning, the French is probably going to be one of the toughest games the Boks are going to play this year. You could just see how the Springboks rocked up for that test match in Paris, because I would have thought the French would have a bit of a tough, still have feelings from 2023, still have hard feelings about that, play with a lot of emotion. But in saying that, the Springboks rocked up and they brought the physicality, which stunned the French a little bit. It doesn't matter what the scenario is or the situations, the Springboks have a way to rock up and perform. I think that Paris test match was incredible. The Ireland test match was great. The way they rotated for the Italy game is amazing, and kudos to Rassie and them. The Springboks is a different animal this year, and you can see it with those two test matches with the French and with the Ireland game.